Looking for something light, creamy, and perfect for summer? This easy Israeli dessert takes just 10 minutes, and it saved me more than once when I've been lucky to welcome unexpected guests. Hi, I'm Rivki from Lev Haolam in Israel. Come with me and let's make delicious Israeli dessert cups. First of all, what we're going to do is take 1 cup of the crushed cookies. We're going to add the butter, and then, my friends, you just mix it up together. And you can tell when you press it with your spoon, it makes a nice indentation. It holds together, so this is going to be perfect for our base layer. Now we're going to move on to the second part of making this recipe, which is when you take your container that you'd like to serve it in, and you're going to press the cookie into the container to make your base layer. See? It's so easy, you just press it in. Now, my friends, we are ready to work on the filling, and this is the part that's so delicious. So I have my cream cheese, and I've put it in the bowl. It's 1 cup, you let it soften a little bit. I have 6 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You can also, for this, instead of using the yogurt, you could take heavy whipping cream and whip it up. I've got 3 tablespoons of silan. So you'll see we've got it all together. So now, I'm going to give it a whisk. I want to add the vanilla. You can measure 1 teaspoon, or you can do it Rivki style and just do like a splash of it. And it smells really good over here. And that's it. You just want it like this, smooth and creamy. You just take your bowl and you start spooning in your lovely, delicious dairy whipped filling. But I like to leave a little bit of the crust showing on the side just because I think it looks visually like kind of cool. It's so easy. Am I cooking? I don't know. Once you've done this, you can garnish this a little bit. You could do something like that where you just sort of put it in the cup, or I think what would be really nice is just to crush it on the top like this. And that's it, you guys, so easy. Now, of course, what we're gonna have to do next is get these into the refrigerator because they are not yet ready. They need to rest in the fridge for about an hour. And what I like about it is it, first of all, firms up the filling, and it makes all of the flavors sort of meld and marry together. It makes it even more delicious. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you give it a like, maybe share it with a friend, and most important, let us know in the comments how your Israeli dessert cup turned out. And if you enjoy receiving delicious recipes from Israel, simple recipes from Israel, be sure to like and follow our channel so that you never miss out on the flavors of Israel and a glimpse into Israeli culture.